If you want to learn how to use Read Aloud in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simple steps to turn on reading mode and use the built-in play feature so Chrome can read a web page out loud for you. This is great for listening to articles, following along while you work, or making long pages easier to understand. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open the web page you want Chrome to read aloud. This can be any article, blog post, or page with text on it. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps a lot of its helpful tools and settings. After the menu opens, hover over More Tools. A side menu will appear, and from there, click on Reading Mode. This will switch the page into a cleaner view that is easier to read and focus on. Once Reading Mode is open, look for the play button and click it. Chrome will begin reading the page aloud for you. You can pause, resume, or stop the playback whenever you want, depending on how you want to listen. And that's it. You now know how to use Read Aloud in Chrome in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this one.